Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Google Meet, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the resolution for your Google meeting? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the resolution in your Google Meet call anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing sales calls or employee meetings through Google Meet, sometimes the resolution is going to be really low, so you can adjust that. Whatever the case, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Meet call. So this is a live call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. So when you are in a Google Meet call and you want to adjust the resolution, down here on the camera logo, there's a little arrow next to it. Click on there. Once you do that, you're going to click on this little gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see these two options, the camera and resolution. So some cameras are going to have higher resolution available. So for example, my computer has a maximum of 720. So if we click right here, I can't go any higher resolution. And by default, Google Meet's going to be on auto. So depending on your internet connection, they're going to switch in between. But if you have another camera that has a higher resolution option, you can go ahead and click here and then choose that other camera. Once you click on that camera, then you want to click in here and then choose the resolution for your video. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to change the resolution for your camera in a Google Meet, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.